Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Instagram suggested account. It's not showing to Instagram apps, so go to the instagram.com. Click on this link. Click on profile icon. Edit profile. Scroll down and then tap on to disable this option and submit. Okay, now done. So that's how we can easily turn off Instagram suggested account. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial river channel for more video.